Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today I have 3 high-end DIYs, so stick around. I picked up this wooden lettuce and a frame, of course, for this DIY, and basically this is all you will need. I started to disassemble these packaging from the lettuce and the picture frame and remove the back end. Now I'm just placing my lettuce. Of course, the mister will go on top of the misses.
Is this the end before we've even begun?
Now I will just put some glue on these letters of the one end and attach it to our frame.
Reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Dive it in.
Hold in place for a few seconds. And finally add my mister on top. As you could see, that is our last step of attaching these letters to each other.
This part, swimming in this deep, deep blue.
Then I got these cute wooden owls, and we will be placing them on each side, one on the frame and one on the letters. I'm just seeing where we'll place these owls and what is my best chosen option.
Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again.
And we can go right ahead and glue that to our letters.
Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine.
Next, I printed out a picture of me and my husband on our wedding day, and I'll just remove the backing of the picture frame and we will cut them to size.
Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea.
And that is it, you guys. This quick and easy simple DIY only took a few minutes, and this is how gorgeous it looks.